Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. Hope you're all doing well and that you're all having a great day as always. If you could leave a like, if you could leave a comment, if you could leave another comment, if you have like another 4.5 seconds, I would very much appreciate it. It does help out the channel immensely. Welcome back to another News I Missed, where I go over news I missed. I'm still away, but I'm making sure that everyone still has videos to watch while I am away on my holiday. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. While some major crypto industry players are reacting to the recent market downturn with layoffs and are freezing their hiring plans, a major crypto exchange, is unveiling a global hiring push with hundreds of available jobs across the world, declaring that it's not planning to fire its employees. Believe it or not, this was actually incredibly popular news around the time it was released. For those of you who have not noticed, so nice. A lot of companies are firing people in mass. Sometimes they're like even not, I guess you could call them startups, companies that have only been around for like 2 or 3 years. In most cases, the last couple of months have been hiring like 40 to 50% of their actual workforce. There were a number of other larger cryptocurrency institutions who announced before, it's been no more than a month, that because of the economic downturn and because prices aren't as high as they should be, and all those other things mixed into a pot, that they're actually going to be letting go some of their employees and or simply just not hiring as aggressively as they were going to do. However, Kraken has said, nope, we're still going to be hiring. The company said in a statement that, and I quote, "We have not adjusted our hiring plan and we do not intend to make any layoffs. We have over 500 roles to fill." Wow. 500 roles to fill during the remainder of the year. And believe bear markets are fantastic at weeding out the applications, chasing hype from the true believers in our mission. That is incredibly true. How many of you have seen a decrease in the amount of people texting you just to give them financial information? I'm raising my hand because I'm definitely one of them. It's dropped quite dramatically. Only the people who really like crypto and the idea of it are the only ones who are still actually messaging me. And also hiring 500 people. Now, that sounds like a lot of people, especially, what have you. Anyway, the CEO has shared the company's website's careers page containing all open positions in various departments. Yeah, not the craziest news in the entire world, but I'm pretty sure during the potential cusp that we are on of an economic global meltdown, that them saying that they're not going to be having any layoffs, a lot of people are probably very excited and grateful right now. Yeah, this was actually, once again, very popular news. I was also quite surprised myself. I think there's another crypto company who also announced it. There are multiple, of course, over the last couple of months who have announced that they're not selling or they're still buying or they're as bullish as ever on the cryptocurrency space. But the, things are bad. We're still going to be hiring and or not laying off people is very kind of rare to find. So good job, Kraken. Once again, I'm pretty sure those people are very, very happy to still have a job. And as a reminder, we will have many rainy days in the future, whether it be in crypto or in life in general. So I hope that all of you are saving some money aside somehow. Thought I'd throw that in there because, 2020 hit us like a ton of bananas. And, right. That's the Kraken is apparently still hiring. Good for them news. And yeah, let's move on. Also in news, with the debut of UNDW or UNDW3, Lacoste, a French premium brand, has joined the Web3 ecosystem. Lacoste community may help accelerate the brand's fashion sport ambition via the use of UNDW or UNDW3 an NFT-based initiative. On the 6th of June, Lacoste launched its UNDW3 Discord server to keep everyone up to date on what's going on in Lacoste's W3 environment in real time. 48 hours after the inception, the movie, the Discord server had more than 30,000 members. For the first time, Lacoste has released an NFT collection with 11,212 photos of classic Lacoste crocodiles rising from water droplets. All right. It's around apparently $100 to buy one of these. Why 11,212? I don't assume they were founded in the year 1212, neither the year 1121. Is that the amount of employees who they have around the world? Lacoste has a system for its NFT collectors where 13,000 people may enroll and mint the NFTs, even though Under 3 only gives 11,212 NFTs. All right. French tennis star and business creator René Lacoste developed his company's polo shirt iconic I'm getting it. Apparently, the iconic shirt is called an L1212. Got it. Okay. Developed that in 1933. Wow. Under 3 NFT collectors will also profit from crocodile emblazoned brand. What? Since they will get tangible and digital rewards. They're doing the same thing that Adidas and Nike are also doing, where you join the NFT group and then you also get some physical things as well. Christine Spindler, Lacoste's chief brand officer, said, Under 3 tests to our desire to accompany the phenomenon of decentralized driven by Web3 and bear witness to our ambition in this area as well as to the power of our brand. Okay, patting yourself on the back there. To bring together our communities and connect cultures around the crocodile. A true rallying sign throughout the world by proposing an that's not how you spell it, experimental. Experiential, interactive, and co-creative universe in the image of Lacoste creativity and avant-gardism. I mean, in addition to Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Philippe Plein, and others, Lacoste joined the Web3 ecosystem by launching Under 3 and a new NFT collection. Sure. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little curious as to what an NFT of a crocodile coming out of a water droplet looks like. I can't be the only one. I wonder what this is going to be like in a couple of years. Will I be in a Lacoste metaverse? Will I be able to buy an NFT and then go to a store and say, hey, I have this NFT, and they give me the clothing based off of it as I own the NFT? I feel a lot. We've gotten so much news from these companies who are in the crypto space now. And I kind of just wonder, like, what their long-term vision for a lot of this is. You get my drift. So yeah, this is. I mean, it's been every day or every other day. I think the last one we heard from was Farfetched, and then there was, I don't remember. There's like 13 brands now. So I mean, if you like buying luxury stuff, this is the news for you. You can crypto it up and you can buy some NFTs from Lacoste and, be really cool to your friends and be like, hey, look at my crocodile coming out of water. That is a logo that's almost 100 years old. Wow, that's the Lacoste news. Incredible. And there's a guy walking into a wallet. He needs to watch out. And without further ado, let's move on. Next up, NFT Twitter page StockTwits. Okay. StockTwits NFTs. Oh, one word. Okay. Recently conducted a poll to determine which blockchain has the most active NFT community. There were 4 blockchains in the pool, and Cardano had the highest vote, showing the surge in interest for Cardano NFTs. That's a pretty big swing right there. Okay. There have apparently been over 30... What? No, there's no way. It says 33 billion native assets minted by Cardano in the NFT sector. What? That doesn't make any sense. That would mean that there are over 33 billion NFTs just on Cardano. That number doesn't seem right. I could see 33 million or even like 1 billion. 33 billion? I don't know. The overall quantity of native assets minted on the Cardano blockchain is now 33,652,677,754. Okay, with 1.2 million delegations according to statistics given by pool.pm. 33 If there are 33 billion NFTs just on Cardano, how many are there on Ethereum? It has to be 500 billion, if not over 1 trillion things just on top of Ethereum then. All right. IOHK provided details on network expansion in the most recent weekly progress report. The number of Cardano projects currently under construction has increased from 992 to 1,004. In the last few months, 89 Cardano projects have been established, bringing the total to 5,796 NFT projects. Really? Really? Like what? I feel like that should be more in the news. Am I missing something? I know that there's been like a couple of popular NFT collectible things for Cardano. 33 billion? All right, I guess the numbers make sense then. Yeah. I guess that's the Cardano's popular, especially apparently according to this poll. What's near? Is that what's the other one? There's another Dooboo. It's green. There's some other new and Flow. Am I thinking of Flow? I don't know what I'm talking about. So yeah, apparently Cardano won in a poll as that has the best NFT community. So saith the Twitter. These numbers are a little insane. Can somebody verify these numbers? 33 billion? Because the news that we had before no more than a month and a half ago from Hoskinson was that I think there were millions of something on top of Cardano. And I was like, well, that makes a lot of sense. 33 billion? I feel like somebody's adding in some numbers there. That's the Cardano news. And yeah, let's move on. Also I guess this is 2.0 news. I'm not really sure. What is this woman doing? She looks like she needs help. A new report published on Tuesday by French IT services and consulting multinational Capgemini suggested that 71% of 2,973 high net worth individuals, or Hennewies, polled globally have invested in digital assets. I'm not sure what this trend is right now where everyone's like looking at rich people while the market's down to see how much money they've invested in the market. Like, first it was the news that investors across all of Asia apparently have thrown a huge amount of their money into crypto. Some have allocations anywhere from like 7% to 50% of their net worth. The news that we had a couple of days ago was that billionaires around the world, they polled 1,000 of them or 2,000 or something like that of them. And apparently they also have huge allocations in crypto. And now I guess this is just a general millionaire poll that happened. money. For its purposes of its World Wealth Report, Capgemini, literally spelled C-A-P, and then Gemini, all one word, defined Hawaiians as millionaires. Fair enough. Of those polled, 54% had a net worth of under 30 million, and the remaining 46% had more. Furthermore, 91% of them under the age of 40 had invested in digital assets. Yeah, that sounds about right. I think everyone I know who's into money and who's under the age, and I want to say even like 35, is into crypto in some sort of way. The report stated that cryptocurrencies were considered the favorite digital asset among investors, with other sought-after digital assets including exchange-traded funds and metaverse investments. However, the size of crypto investments made by Hawaiians, that's not how it is, but I'm going to say Hawaiians because I'm not saying high net worth individuals every single time, remained speculative. As of January of this year, 14% of portfolios were allocated to alternative investments, which also included commodities, foreign currencies, private equity, and hedge funds. They said, I guess this is a tweet, it just kind of popped up. It says, today Capgemini unveils its World Health Wealth Report, revealing the global high net worth individual Hawaii population grew nearly 8%. Click here to read why North America retains the top spot for, I was going to say something. Taxes. Low taxes. Taxes is the name of the game. Still, that figure has steadily increased from 2018, when only 9% of Hawaiians were in alternate investments. The timing of the report can also be noted. It was published on Tuesday. The report described crypto's market cap as greater than 2 trillion. Today, the number is far closer to 900 billion. Yeah, because the world is collapsing and you can't have everything at once. Anyway, so yeah, I guess the next thing that we have to look forward to is like, do you have a net worth of 100,000? Are you invested in crypto? Because I think you're just finding the entire spectrum at this point to see who's into the market and who's not. I feel like I'm supposed to be surprised that these people have invested so much money into the market, but I'm not really. Even years ago, it was suggested or believed that a huge fraction of people became rich because of crypto. Like, you know, they had 12,000 and then they went to 2.2 million. So they became millionaires and therefore entered a new class. But when you talk the high allocation of them in crypto is simply because a huge portion of their wealth comes from crypto and therefore the larger allocation. Cool. Yeah. Rich people holding crypto. It's always in the news. I'm not really sure. All right, that's the woman holding up coins. Can she see? Over her eyes. And rich people are still holding on to crypto, buying crypto. There's also news of the other rich people in the crypto space who are still buying and talking about I'm not selling and Bitcoin's going to go here and I got to buy some now because $9 million is on the way and all that other kind of stuff. Yeah, rich people, Bitcoin news. Yeah, I do hope that you've all enjoyed. I do hope that you all are having an absolutely phantasmagorical time. Thank you all for the likes, for the comments, for the well wishes. I don't really know. I do hope you all enjoyed. Hope you all are having a great day, great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are, wherever you might be. I do hope it's absolutely fantastic. Thank you all once again for watching. What is this at the back of the truck? Listening and or supporting. Even like a little question mark comes up. Thank you all once again for listening, and I will most certainly, there we go. We'll most certainly be talking to you all soon. See you.